Ancestry and religion? Well, let me explain. So I 100% suggest that it is incredibly important for us to understand how our ancestors worshipped and practiced religion and spirituality, to better understand how we practice religion and spirituality. And I'm not talking about like the pagan practice of worshiping ancestors. I'm just talking about better understanding how they worshipped and practiced religion and spirituality. And I've been doing a lot of research on my personal ancestry for two reasons. One, I'm applying for membership in the National Society of the Sons of the American Revolution because I have two Revolutionary War ancestors. And two is I've been working with a spiritual director to help me better understand how my ancestors practiced religion and spirituality, how that impacts the way that I practice and see and perceive religion and spirituality in my current context. And there's an article that I read from UCLA entitled Ancestry, Language, and Culture. And it states that it is inherent for us to pass down religion as part of that exchange from generation to generation. And it's part of that nature versus nurture debate, because the way that we are nurtured into religion and spirituality impacts the very nature of how we behave and practice in religion and spirituality. Because, and again, that passing down from generation to generation, again, helps us better understand our nature, because there's a part of the brain called the pineal gland, which is our third eye into the spiritual and religious realm. And understanding how our third eye has been formed through our generations of ancestors will help us better understand how we perceive religion and spirituality, and how that pineal gland has been formed to perceive religion and spirituality from generation to generation, which again, that is part of our nature, our very nature. And again, I would suggest it is incredibly important for us to understand how our ancestors practiced and perceived religion and spirituality, to better understand how we practice and perceive religion and spirituality. Peace and blessings, y'all.